welcome you to our first Sustainability Innovation Week. What we're celebrating this week is our community and the passion in our community and the creativity in our community in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges.
This is a week that's being put on by the Sustainability that is really helping folks come together from across campus and the community to think about sustainability and to learn about some of the novel approaches that students, faculty, staff, and our community members and partners are taking to make a difference around climate change.
One of the things Northeastern does so well is this innovation. So really excited to be part of Sustainability Innovation Week. And I think that there's a real opportunity to use the creativity and our expanding networks to stay at the forefront of these efforts and innovate new solutions.
An event like this can really sort of highlight the different aspects of sustainability that are going on campus, but then also to engage people and make them feel that they can make a difference.
I'm on the board for Eco Scholars, which is an amazing group on campus. We are focused primarily on environmental education, so we partner with a lot of schools in the local Boston area, and we basically teach an after-school environmental education program to elementary through middle school students. I'm really passionate about environmental education and kind of helping the next generation learn about our earth and how to take care of it and empowering them to get their voices heard.
Co-ops, as always, are key here at Northeastern, and we offer a plethora of opportunities for students to pursue whatever career or passion that they have in sustainability. Those go from developing sustainable business models in developing nations all the way to new tech and energy systems in Silicon Valley.
For my first co-op, I worked for the city Watertown in their public works department. I'm really interested in the intersection of environmental science and policy. It was a cool opportunity because I was able to also get into their sustainability department and also work into some policy.
When we have policies that are sustainable, individual behavior changes for the better. This is where we can lead at Northeastern, that we have institutional policies within our colleges, within our departments, within the university, and that can catch on. For universities in Boston and beyond,
just like a small city, a university is a place that can contribute to sustainability in meaningful ways. And we want to make sure that our students are ready with the knowledge that they gain from Northeastern and experience to be able to be contributing partners to whatever organization they end up working in.
Would you make better choices if you knew the consequences of your actions? Hi, my name is Miriam Amzat, and I'm a student here at Northeastern Boston campus.
So My Emission Tracker is a project that allows students and employees to measure their emissions. So in terms of food, in terms of travel, in terms of goods, it's a great way to encourage behavioral change.
My project is all about how we can reduce the waste on campus, specifically in the dining. Being able to see this process from a holistic point of frame and also getting to understand on how I can solve this process, it has been one of my favorite parts of this whole journey.
Students are why we do everything that we do. In the area of sustainability and resilience, it's ever more important that we're doing things that are lasting and that make a positive environmental impact.
If you are a student who wants to be a part of sustainability, then this is the right place to be, because you have the materials, you have the people around you, and it just shows you that Northeastern is the place to be when it comes to sustainability.
Conservation of the environment, this is what I'm here to study, this is what I want my career to be. So it's really exciting to be in a place where that is valued and that is really encouraged.
This isn't just something that environmental science students should consider. This is something that factors into our everyday lives. It's about the food we eat, the clothes we wear, how we get to class or co-op. This is about how we ensure that we're thinking about how our actions affect other people.
when we engage students in research and in policy work, we actually change their mindsets. We change how people feel about making a positive contribution in the world. And I think that Northeastern is and can continue to be a leader at a global level.
It's been an amazing experience just meeting other student leaders in the sustainability field, and it's just been a really inspiring way to get into action on Northeastern and work together for a common goal and purpose on campus.